Hello and welcome to this harmonica lesson for beginners. Let's learn how to do some blues riffs and bending. Now make sure you have a diatonic C harmonica for this lesson. So let's learn how to play the G scale on a C harmonica. We're going to start with hole 3 and we're going to go out and then in. Then 4 out, 4 in. 5 out, 5 in. And then 6 out. That scale is basically G Mixolydian, and it's what we're going to use to be playing our blues riffs. So to play blues riffs on a harmonica, we actually do this technique called cross harp playing. Cross harp playing is when the key of the harmonica doesn't actually match the key of the song that we're playing in. So it's a great exercise to just go up through the notes of that scale and back down. And make sure to give yourself some grace. If you bleed air into the other holes and you just play other holes accidentally, that's totally okay. They usually sound pretty good anyway. By the way, this is the 4th video in my harmonica series for beginners. Now let's talk about bending. Bending is a technique in which we draw air in and we redirect it with our tongue so that the pitch bends down. Some holes are really easy to bend on and some holes aren't. From my experience, the 4th hole is the easiest note to bend down on. Here's what that would sound like. Here's a visual for understanding how the air is bent inside your mouth. Let's imagine we're facing this way. Okay, and the air is coming in like this, all right? And let's say this is your tongue. The air normally comes over through your mouth and it doesn't get in the way, all right? But when you bend, you bring your tongue back and the air gets redirected down and then around, bending the pitch. So what you need to do is you need to bring your tongue back while you're drawing air in. Now that's not enough to bend the note. That's just the start. You also have to flex your neck muscles. I know this is kind of weird, but you have to kind of go like this, which helps to redirect the air down. Basically, you're creating a cavity on the inside of your mouth. It's almost like your tongue is coming back and it's blocking the air, and it has to go over it. If you just bring your tongue back and the air can just go around it easily, it's not going to bend. You basically have to create a block for the air to go around. Another trick you can do is tilt the harmonica back towards you as you're playing the note. What happens is the air is getting like pinched off or cut off on the hole on your lip instead of your tongue. Here's your tips checklist for bending. Make sure you're using a lot of air and not leaking into any of the other holes. Also, make sure you're drawing your tongue back to redirect the air. You can flex your neck muscles, that might help, although you look kind of strange. And lastly, you can tilt the harmonica down towards you. If we were to see a bend in the harmonica tabs, for example, if we were to bend the hole 4, you'd see -4 with an apostrophe next to it. I would practice trying bends on holes 1, 2, 3, and 4. You'll probably find that one of them bends more easily than the others. So let's try 1. I personally think that one's the most difficult. And then there's 2. Here's 3. And remember, you can just tilt it back towards you. And here's 4. Does it help if you move your eyebrows like this? And you can bend the higher holes. I'm not very good at those. It just kind of sounds like a wah effect when I do it. And it can get really technical with bending. We can do a bend where we draw air in and then bend it and then let it release like this. Which is like you hear 4 and then you hear it bend and then you hear it go back up. But there are also pre-bends where we have the note bent right when we start the air. Those ones are harder to do. You have to build up a lot of pressure and like really draw the air in fast. Now, if you're trying this and it's not working at all for you, try a different harmonica. It could be that your harmonica is old, the reeds don't work very well, or it's just really cheap and it's hard to bend on. The Hohner Special 20 harmonicas bend very easily compared to other ones that I've played. Now we're gonna do a call and response jam in which I play a riff and then you play it back. We'll do each riff 2 times. Something that is important to mention, but is also confusing, is that we can play blues riffs, but not play a blues form. So blues is a genre of music, but it's also a song form. So blues riffs use the blues scale, which is part of the scale that we learned earlier. But a blues form is also known as a 12-bar blues, in which it's 12 measures, and it follows a very specific order of chords. The jam track call and response that we did is not a blues form, but we're playing blues riffs. So let me break down a couple of those riffs for you in the jam in case you're struggling with them. The first riff sounds like this. So it's in one, out two, in two. Don't forget to lick your lips so you can slide easier. And also when we draw in, we can articulate by going. The third riff sounds like this. That one has a bend on 3. So it's in 4, out 3, in 3, and then the bend is on that last 3. The fifth riff in that jam sounds like this. That's in 4, bend 4, out 4, in 3. So we start by in 4, and then we bend it. So it's like, do it. That's all one breath. And then out 4, and then in 3.